Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 and MST iTrend 2.0. I will teach you one positional strategy based on iTrend. How can we use this positional strategy? And before I delve into this iTrend 2.0 positional strategy, let me show you what happened yesterday as per our default indicator, that is our iCore 2.0. What we are supposed to do, go to the indicator settings and give a reset. After that, if you are trading in Bank Nifty, go to the settings and revise to tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. If first buy activated, don't go for sell. If sell activated, go for buy unless SL hit. Okay. So now yesterday what happened, you can see yourself. Yesterday first sell got activated, but there is no target. SL hit. And then second buy activated, and let us see what happened, whether we got profit or not. Yes, perfectly we got two targets hit. Perfectly we got two targets. At least one target also we can consider perfectly hit, because second time it has come down and touched our sell zone, then it has reversed back. Okay, but I have told you about one Bahubali candle. Whenever we see the candlestick size is bigger than the wick, if it is green, then we have to avoid the immediate sell entry. Similarly, whenever there is a big red candle, body size is bigger than the wick, then we have to avoid the buy entry immediately and we have to look for one confirmation. And if you have done blindly also, no problem. Here you have taken the sell entry, here SL hit, immediately our second buy activated and targets hit. There is no loss for the day. And another importantly, I have taught you about the doji and some important candlestick patterns. Here you can see the candlestick doji pattern, previous candle bullish candle, gap up opening, it's all indicating that market has to go up. So here also you can take the entry and you can book the profit above our MGR. So MGR is the decision making. If the market is trading above the MGR, it will go and touch our sell zone. If the market is trading below the MGR, and it will come and touch our buy zone. So these are some small indication. Okay, let me show you how can we use this iTrend 2.0 for positional strategy. So here I have given something called dynamic zone, dynamic supply zone and dynamic demand zone. So it will show you the exact reversal point. So when we got the reversal point, December 5, that is extra we got buy entry here, and previous day, and for better accuracy, what you can do, you can keep it in 30 minutes time frame. The more higher time frame you have, the more accuracy you will get. Okay, so this one you can use it for dynamic supply zone. And another point what we have here in the settings, in the first one MST zone formation, you can keep positional. Okay, positional. Whenever market is trading above these lines, then this is the buy trend. Whenever market is trading below that level, then that is the sell trend. So now you can see where we got the entry. Here we got the buy entry at 43,354. And up to here it has reached 44,475. So more than 1000 points we got the profit. And here there was no clear trend, no buy and no buy side, no sell side. And here also none of the candle has closed below that level, so we cannot consider for the sell entry. And next day it has closed above this zone and see very good profit. So from here, that is on 43,452, 47,280. So almost 3,000 points we got the profit. So you just open every day and keep it in positional and see whether it is below that level or above that level. So you can take nearby call option or you can sell put option, whichever you like that you can do. So these are the another features what we have in our MS i10 2.0, and this i10 2.0 we are giving as complimentary for the lifetime customer. So whoever wants to have this, they can contact us in the given number 9500009154. You can also contact us through WhatsApp and Telegram. And please do not forget our YouTube channel subscription. If you are not yet subscribed and watching, immediately subscribe, watch the video, like the video and share the video to all your beloved ones. And here most of us are interested in Tata Technology. So in Tata Technology we don't have sufficient data. Okay, that is why I kept in, yesterday I kept in 125 time frame and traded. So 240 also we can trade. And today what will happen to Tata Tech? If the market is able to close above 1196.65, then we can expect some bullish. If the market is closing below 1188.55, then market may touch again 1150. If that also broken, we may expect up to 1000. But on a long term, Tata Technology, we are expecting to reach minimum 2000 to 3000 level. So these are for the education purpose. So if you are a long term investor, you take 10 quantity at each level, at each low level, and keep adding them, so that on a long term you will be getting a very decent profit. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. And one more thing today, and for today what we are going to trade today, Dr. Reddy and Ultratech Cement, both are having more than 5000. This is 5776 and this is 9329. So if you want to trade on such stock, you take only 50 quantity or 100 quantity maximum, and try to book some 10 to 10 points, 5 to 10 points you can book. If it is less than 500 rupees stocks, then you can take 1000 share and you can book 1 to 2 points. Okay, so these are the points today I have. If you have any other questions, any other requirement, please contact us. We will be very happy to help you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.